A while back, I handed Claude $500 in credits and full control of my Higgsfield account and told it to make a film better than me. Long story short, it got smoked. But literally 2 days after I did this, Claude got its biggest update ever in the form of a new model, Fable 5. So we're doing it again. $500, make a film, but this time it's not going up against me. This is Claude versus Claude, Opus versus Fable to see if AI can actually make a film. Let's see if this upgrade is really as big as everyone says it is. And yeah, Higgsfield is the sponsor of this one again because their MCP is the only reason that Claude can create images and videos in the first place. I'll link the video where I show you how to set it all up down in the description. Now for the tests. I'm giving Claude Fable and Opus this prompt. Autonomously create an entire 1 minute long film. The film should be in the animated and family genres. Make all the decisions yourself until all the video clips have been generated and are ready to be assembled in editing software. Last time I effectively said just make a film, and some of you wanted me to give it more detailed instructions on what to make. But here's the thing. Telling the AI exactly what I want it to make defeats the entire purpose of the video. I want to see if Claude actually understands storytelling, and if I just hold its hand through the whole process, I've learned nothing in the end. That said, I'm giving it a little bit more to chew on this time with the style and genre instructions so that our comparisons are more apples to apples. Looks like Fable is going to go with a story about a firefly. Interesting. The first character sheet is on the way, and he's got a bubble butt. I was not expecting that. Doesn't really look like a firefly to me, but he's cute, I guess. Let's see what Opus is up to. Interesting. We've got another story with fireflies over here, except this one involves a fox. Oh my gosh, that's way too cute. Interestingly, Opus chose Pip as the name for its fox, and Fable chose the same name for its hero firefly. Maybe these brains aren't so different after all. Let's hop back to Fable. Wait a second, where is it? Dude, did this just all crash on me? My chats are just gone. Oh wait, no, it saved them. Whew, I thought we almost lost it there. Little did I know what was about to happen. No, the US government has just blocked the release of Fable 5. Well, crap. Guys, Claude Fable is back online, and this really couldn't have happened at a worse time because Gemini Omni just dropped and I have like a million videos to make, but we have to continue with this test. Let's get this sucker rolling again. And just like that, it picked up right where it left off, and we've got our first video clip from Fable. Oh my goodness, he was trying so hard, but it just won't light. If we refer back to the reference image that Fable started with, this video is a perfect animation of it. The character consistency is there and everything. Fable is automatically moving on to generating clip 2 with Higgsfield. Now I'll just step back and let it do its thing. In the meantime, let's get Opus up and running again. Now here's an interesting difference. Fable 5 was generating one clip at a time, while Opus is running them all in tandem. This little under the hood look is cool because we can see that Opus is overriding a preset that Seedance wanted to follow. Opus also ran into a little glitch where it thought that the completed shots that Fable made were its own, but it analyzed them and it recognized that they belonged to a different project, which, by the way, has run into a problem. One of Fable's video clips has been blocked. Right now, the model has reached its automatic usage limit, so I'll just hit continue and see if it recognizes that clip 4 failed. Now, what the heck is with this? Fable 5 is totally glitching out on me. It hasn't retried the failed generation, and it's totally stuck when I try to resume the project. Oh, I think I realized this is totally my fault. I had this issue just last couple weeks ago when I tried to run Opus and Fable together, and they couldn't do the two conversations in tandem. That's my bad. We're gonna have to deal with that. Now, Opus also had a shot get blocked, but it recognized it immediately and it regenerated it with a different prompt. And Opus is done. All 10 shots are complete and ready for us to put together. The only problem is they're all out of order, so it's gonna be a pain for me to stitch them. Fable's clips are in order, but it's still stuck and we're just missing that 4th clip. So I don't know what to do at this point. I think this conversation is just totally busted, so I'm just gonna grab this prompt and the reference image, and then I'll start a new chat and try to get the final shot done. I know this breaks the whole like hands-off premise, but I have no choice really, and that was my fault for running them both at the same time. And now for some reason Fable wants to generate this shot with VO 3.1 Lite, which doesn't match and it won't have audio, but At least we'll have a clip. Okay, wow, that was a roller coaster. I'm about to show you both finished films, but I am shocked at what the creation process was like with these two models. The Fable glitches might have been entirely my fault, but it definitely seemed like it should have handled that a little bit better, because it ended up generating double the clips that we actually need, which burnt through credits and even our Claude session limit. So it remains to be seen whether that was entirely user error, but I still feel like there should be a better system here where it won't do that. That said, the results matter more than the process, so without further ado, here are the films. Even though the stories that these two models told were very similar, I think Fable's was a lot better. I got lost on Opus's Fox film. I mean, he seems like he's home, and then he seems like he's lost, and then the fireflies are fun, and he's home again. The story is practically indiscernible. Fable's film has much more complete and deeper plot points. The firefly won't glow, and then he does a good deed and reunites the ladybug with her family, and then he gets his light, and he joins the rest of the fireflies. Cliché? Sure. A pain in the butt with a ton of wasted credits and usage, which might have potentially just been my fault, yeah. But the result definitely shows that Fable is smarter. Obviously, this is an extreme test meant to reveal all of the strengths and weaknesses of these two Claude models. I think that Fable proved that it's got a lot more film creation knowledge and skills than Opus, but it does need proper guidance, which realistically is how you should be using it anyway. Let me know what you think of the results, and if you want to check out my previous test where I pit Claude against myself for film creation, check out this video up over here.